I used to battle with severe depression. Things got incredibly dark for me, but then a little laser engraver pretty much changed everything. My name is Jaccobb. I live in Indiana, and I got a background in computer science, robotics, all the geek stuff. I run a laser engraving business from my home while also actively dedicating a lot of my time to charity work. For a long time, I've struggled with depression, triggered suicidal thoughts, anxiety, and experienced frequent panic attacks. I was given two options: go through intense inpatient therapy or change your life, get a dog. I chose the dog. As I began to recover, I wanted to give back to dogs by making custom tags at the dog park to raise money for shelter pups. For that, I needed a laser that I could carry, and xTool offered the F1 that had the closed shield. It could be used in public. It was portable. xTool was the answer. So one of the first things that I made with this laser was a little dog tag for Nimh, my little deaf guy. If he's not looking at you, can't hear you to come back, and that's how it all started. Once I did it for him, started branching out, making pet IDs and collars, making sure that everyone else had that same sense of security and safety. I do make money through the machine. The largest single order I've had was engraving 300 glasses for a wedding, $8 a piece, that's $2,400. But what actually pulled me up was helping people, getting on the community, offering technical assistance. Every thank you told me the same thing: I'm good at this. People need me. I matter. Most of what I make now are memorials. So many places want to capitalize on death, and companies charge outrageous amounts. So I use my laser to make these memorials at a fraction of the cost, making sure that we're not breaking someone else's bank. There was a Great Dane recently that needed a $12,000 surgery they just couldn't afford, and so we stepped in and helped out where we could. So from the beginning, Hippie Crime was never really about making profits. 20% of all profit goes straight to help dogs in need, to get them toys, cover their vet visits. The day I'll always remember was last Halloween. I ordered about 700 whistles online, took the F2 out, and the kids came by and they got to pick what color that they want. They give me their name. They get to hit the button to start it. Over 450 kids came through. All you could hear is whistles all night, and it was contagious. For me, I'm someone whose mood easily feeds off the energy of other people around me. It's those feelings. When someone lights up, oh my God, look at this. It makes me smile, it makes me happy. That's worth more than any amount of money to me. Using this thing to make people happy is how I help pull myself out of the dark.